Hello everyone, this is Maria.
This is Oddman.
And we are actually having this video because there are lots of confusions around sales funnels. So we would like to tackle this confusion today. So how to use your funnels?
So we can go to the next slide here. And we say that the funnel, that will be equipment, like a motorbike or a car or whatever. So you have to have a driver for your new shiny object, and that is yourself. And then you have to have people to feed your business leads. So that will be the gasoline, you can say. And together, these three parts, they will be working together. So if you are buying a nice new Mercedes and you plan to start making money on a taxi driving, you cannot put it in the garage. You need to be a driver and you need to go around and pick up people and take them from place to place, and then you will get paid.
Yes, the
So,
same with the funnels. It will not run by itself.
no, so how to get the mountain overview?
How to put the pieces together. So first is you, second is the funnel, and third are the people to join your opportunity.
So we can say that you have to choose first your arena, your platform. Where do you want to operate? So since you buy a funnel, most probably you will like to be online.
Yes.
And we're starting with Facebook because that is the biggest social media platform.
And then YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, email marketing, and paid advertising.
Yeah. So in email marketing, that's what we basically do. We're sending out offers to our existing list. And you have paid advertising. That can be to pay for to buy ordinary ads, or you can give your link to someone who is doing email marketing, and they can present your link to their list.
Yes.
So, as we say, Facebook is the biggest, and most of the people is working on Facebook. So we just show you today Facebook.
Yes, so if you plan to run paid advertising, it is necessary that you have to have your page, Facebook page. And to connect with people and add friends, you should optimize your Facebook profile. To warm up your leads, Facebook group is recommended. Facebook ads, solo ads, etc. Here you introduce your paid traffic. And after these steps, the
Then
funnel,
you take your funnel in use.
yes, this will represent your funnel. So as Odmund, you see these are the steps, and the bottom is the sales funnels.
Yeah. So first you have to choose your strategy. And if you are using attraction marketing, you're messaging, you are sitting and doing manual work on Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever, in this case Facebook, then we recommend that you optimize your Facebook profile, you have it in public, and you have a follow button, and you have to make it able for people to add you as friend, and then you're going and engaging out on internet, and you give some kind of value, and then when you start getting people in, you put them into a group where you can give them some value and they know a little bit about what you are doing, and when they are interested you can have a call to action inside your Facebook group where they can go to your funnel, because then people will find a way when they are warmed up.
Yes.
Because when you're looking at traffic, you have cold traffic, that is people who don't know about you. And you
The
have
warm traffic is people who knows you but not really know you at all. Like
yeah. And then when you have the hot traffic, that is
the
people who know,
buy.
like, and trust you.
And those are the buyers. Join your business, right?
Yeah. Or it can be your aunt or your uncle or your mom on Facebook or whatever.
Your number one fan.
Yeah. But everyone on Facebook is not warm traffic. They are basically stone cold ice, everyone, until you are able to get in touch with them and start warm them up, and then they will become your warm traffic.
Yes.
So hopefully that was a little bit value from us.
Please comment yes below if you find this valuable.
Okay, so then thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you.
Bye bye.
Bye.